This will guide you the steps to solve issue of low cooling or no cooling in your LG refrigerator. Check the placement of the refrigerator. Always keep away the refrigerator from direct sunlight. Provide some space around the refrigerator for good ventilation. Check the power input of the refrigerator. Check if the light inside the refrigerator is on or not. If not, check the power input to the refrigerator. Don't overstuff. Arrange your stuff properly for better cooling and avoid blocking the air vents. Excess amount of stuffing in the refrigerator may affect the cooling. Check temperature setting. In winter, set the fridge from 1 to 3. In monsoon, set the fridge from 3 to 5. In summer, set the fridge from 5 to 7. Defrost on regular basis. Defrost knob may differ from model to model. Avoid frequent opening of refrigerator door. Avoid opening the door again and again as it affects the cooling of the refrigerator. Clean the refrigerator regularly.